Chef Alina Z, and today's video is for those who want to eat but don't want to cook. Just like me, I'm starving right now. I want to eat but I don't have the time, so let's get right to it. We're gonna make a super easy pizza. I don't want to make my own crust right now. I'm gonna get this one from Sammy's Bakery. It has 12 grams of net carbs for the whole lavash. This is so awesome. Look at this. The cool thing about foods that have high soluble fiber is that they expand in your belly, so you are keeping full longer. You don't have the hunger pains, and it helps you with cravings. Then we have a already made pizza sauce from San Marzano tomatoes. I only buy San Marzano tomatoes because they smell amazing and they taste amazing. So I'm gonna put the sauce directly onto my pizza crust, just like this. Next, I'm going to use plant-based cheese. This one is made with cashews. Actually, I've never tried it, so it's actually very, very yummy. I'm gonna sprinkle it right on my pizza. So now I have my pizza ready. I have my little toaster oven here. Pop this guy right in, and my lunch is gonna be ready in about 1, 2, 3 minuti. How easy is that? And you get to learn a little Italian with me. Now, full disclosure, you guys, this pizza sauce does have added sugar. It is organic sugar, but nevertheless, it's sugar. If you want a sugar-free pizza sauce, just make your own. Use my recipe from the meatballs and pasta recipe on YouTube and just make that sauce. It's super easy. I don't add any sugar. You can hardly taste it anyway. But just if you want to keep, low carb and no sugar, make your own. Use the San Marzano tomatoes. I ordered these online. I'm not being sponsored by them, and I have them stored in my freezer so they don't go bad. So whenever I feel like having a pizza, I have my canned tomatoes. I can make the pasta sauce, the pizza sauce right away. And this has tons of fiber, like I said, and fiber will keep you full. It will keep you satisfied. It will prevent highs and lows in your blood sugar. And we need fiber to keep things moving along, and we need some carbs sometimes, I think, for mood. And God knows I want some carbs right now, so this is the pizza that I'm having, and you can have this pizza every day. You guys are getting 18 grams of fiber in just one lavash. Like, amazing. This parmella cheese is made out of cashews. It does have carbs. It has 4 grams of carbs for the serving. So if you are watching your carbs, just make sure you're adding those up. If you are on keto and you do use dairy, please, please, please use only pasture-raised dairy, because you don't want garbage in your body. And cows and conventional farms are eating garbage, and they don't even have sunlight. That milk and that cheese is just so no bueno, and you deserve so much more. So either go with plant-based cheese. If you must use dairy from humanely raised cows that have been outside on the pasture, because you guys deserve so much more than average crappy products that I found in the store. Alright, so the pizza is ready. Look, this is faster than any delivery. Look at that. Yum city. I'm gonna put some arugula on my pizza, and I'm making this video realistic. Like, you use what you've got. Pizza! Alright, let's taste this. It's yummy. I will say that if you're using pasture-raised dairy cheese, probably gonna be even better. It's really yummy. It's very satisfying, and I can eat the whole thing guilt-free. Alright, I'm gonna go eat. Buon appetito, and until later, cheers to your health. Bye.